The demand for creating content is non-stop, and your team feels it. With Lumen5, creating videos is fast and easy, but even the best tools can't solve every challenge. Campaigns shift, priorities change, and suddenly, your team's buried under backlogs, approvals, and expectations. Templates begin to feel outdated. Creative direction blurs, timelines shrink, teams are burned out, and that momentum you had slows down. Introducing Professional Services, your always-on Lumen5 creative partner. We keep your branded templates updated as your needs evolve. Design and animate brand assets that make your videos pop. Step in when your team needs bandwidth, and give you creative direction when you need it, fast. It's not about taking over the work. It's about giving your team that extra support to keep creating without slowing down. With Professional Services, Lumen5 isn't just a tool, it's an extension of your team, built to match your needs and keep your video pipeline going. Let's turn your video content into something that keeps on delivering results every time, only with Lumen5.